Hello everybody, my name is Javier Garza and I am an enterprise architect at Akamai Technologies based in Santa Clara, California. We are going to take a look at a few demos showing HTTP2, HTTP2 with server push, and also we'll take a look at a new UDP based protocol called Quick. Alright, let's get started. Let's open your favorite browser and navigate to http2.akamai.com. This page will tell you if you are using HTTP2 and also if your browser accepted the server push promise the web server sent. Let's click the demo button. The demo page that loads is made of two iframes, each one loading a picture made of many small tiles from a different web server. On the left side, you will see HTTP 1.1 and on the right side, HTTP2. Note that there are two counters on each side. The first one measures the latency between the server and the client as measured by the server. The second counter shows the time in seconds it took to load all the tiles. As you can see, the latency is very small, and the reason is those web servers are edge nodes of a large content delivery network, also known as CDN. And that's the main reason why the page loads so fast, a little over 2 seconds with HTTP1 and around 40% faster using HTTP2. Let's reload the page a couple of times to ensure the results are similar. Yes, all the results look very similar. Okay, let's see what happens when we add latency. We are going to use the macOS Network Link Conditioner tool to simulate different network conditions. We will start with 50 milliseconds. Let's reload the page. The first thing to note is the latency measured by the web server increase. That's good. As you can see, increasing the latency causes the page to load 4 times slower, so it went from 2 seconds to 8 seconds. Let's reload the page one more time to ensure the results are consistent. Yes, similar times. Okay, so let's increase now the latency to 100 milliseconds and see what happens. Let's reload the page. Okay, I see the server sees a latency increase. Wow, it took 14 seconds to load the page over HTTP1 and 10 seconds over HTTP2. Let's increase the latency now to 200 milliseconds. All right, let's reload the page. It takes 26 seconds over H1 and 20 seconds over H2. Wow, that's slow for a page that took just 2 seconds with 20 milliseconds latency. I wanted to clarify, the tests I'm showing here are just for demonstration purposes. The point I wanted to make is that latency impacts web performance considerably. And as you can see, latencies over 100 milliseconds, which are not uncommon in cellular networks, can affect significantly the user experience of the fastest website. Summary: HTTP2 is great and can provide a 5 to 20% performance boost in some websites by just flipping the switch. However, a large analysis of hundreds of large websites that use HTTP2 shows that most websites would need some tweaking, like reducing the number of hostnames used, especially third-party objects which don't use HTTP2 in order to get that boost.